Hi, this is the Pixel 8 Pro and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key button on this device. So first open the Settings application and then scroll all the way down to the System section. Tap to the gestures and click to press and hold Power button. And just to use Assistant from Power Key, you should switch Power menu to Digital Assistant. Now let's press and hold the Power Key button and we could see that the Google Assistant successfully enabled. If you want to turn off this option, just switch Digital Assistant to Power menu and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.